Fuel is such an important part of the diesel engine, isn't it?
Oh, look, it certainly is. And what's even more important is it's got to be clean fuel. There's a lot of dirty fuel out there and a lot of water contaminants out there. So our recommendation is always to fit a pre-filter for water separation, just to help keep the water out of your diesel system.
The factory fuel filter isn't built as well as it should be to cope with the actual impurification and the water ingress that can occur.
Yeah, that's right. Look, the original filters are designed to really filter out the particle contaminants in that diesel, but not so much the water. We all know what it's like. If you get a gut full of water in your Colorado injector system, it's going to be quite an expensive little exercise.
Fuels and things are pretty good here in Australia, but it's not perfect, is it? And you can get water and other contaminants in the fuel.
A lot of people don't think about it, but when people are driving on roads and the roads are wet, if their engines are running but the fuel tank breather is open, it's actually sucking in the water mist that's been brought up by the roads.
Now, it's pretty important where you put your fuel filters. They go obviously in line. Do they replace the factory fuel filter, or do they work with it?
No, we actually fit them so before the existing filter, because we want to prevent any of the water, well, that possibly may be in the system, from getting into your original fuel system. Some people say, oh yeah, but my vehicle's already got a water alarm light on there, that will tell me when the water's there. Yes, it does do that, but the problem is it tells you that the water's there, it's already there. It's not coming into it, it's already there. So that's the whole idea of going to a pre-separator, so you can stop it from going in there prior to it entering the system.
If you'd like to find out more information about our range of pre-filters for your diesel 4x4 to protect you from water ingress and the damage that can make, please jump onto directionplus.com.au.